In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh WhatsApp Web in just 5 minutes. Whether you're trying to update your chat list, fix a glitch, or just clear the clutter, refreshing WhatsApp Web can often feel like a breath of fresh air for your messaging app. So let's dive right in and make your WhatsApp Web experience smoother and more efficient. First things first, let's navigate to WhatsApp Web. For those who might be new to this, WhatsApp Web allows you to use WhatsApp through your computer's browser, mirroring the chats from your mobile device. It's a handy tool for when you're working on your computer and you don't want to switch back and forth between devices. To get started, open your favorite web browser and type in web.whatsapp.com in the address bar. Press enter and you'll be taken directly to the WhatsApp Web interface. If it's your first time, you'll need to scan the QR code displayed on the screen with your mobile device to log in. For returning users, your chats should load automatically, assuming you're still logged in. Now that you're in, let's talk about how to actually refresh WhatsApp Web. Occasionally, messages may not appear in real time, or you might encounter issues where your chats aren't updating as they should. This is where refreshing comes into play. On the WhatsApp Web interface, look towards the top of your chat list or the address bar of your browser. Here you'll find a circular arrow icon. That's your refresh button. Clicking this will refresh the entire page, just like refreshing any other web page. It's simple but effective. Upon clicking, your browser will reload the WhatsApp Web application, and with any luck your issue will be resolved, displaying all your messages and chats in their most current state. But what if you're a keyboard shortcut aficionado? Good news, there's a faster way to refresh WhatsApp Web without ever having to lift your hands off the keyboard. Depending on your computer, these shortcuts might vary slightly, but the principle remains the same. For most Windows users, you'll press the Ctrl+R keys simultaneously. If you're on a Mac, you'll use CMD+R. These shortcuts are universal for refreshing web pages, and WhatsApp Web is no exception. Using these keyboard shortcuts is a quick and efficient method to refresh your chats, especially if you're in the midst of multitasking and prefer not to interrupt your workflow. While these steps are straightforward, it's worth noting a couple of additional tips to ensure a smooth experience. Sometimes, after refreshing, you might find that WhatsApp Web asks you to log in again by scanning the QR code with your mobile device. This is perfectly normal, especially if you haven't used WhatsApp Web in a while, or if your browser's cookies were cleared. Another tip is to make sure that your internet connection is stable. A poor or unstable connection can sometimes be the root cause of messages not being updated in real time. If refreshing doesn't solve your problem, a quick check of your Wi-Fi or data connection might be in order. In summary, refreshing WhatsApp Web is an easy and effective way to solve minor glitches or update your chat list. Whether you choose to click the refresh button manually or prefer the speed of keyboard shortcuts, keeping your chats updated can be done in no time at all. Remember, a stable internet connection is key to ensuring that this process works smoothly. And that's all it takes to refresh WhatsApp Web. Whether you're clearing up a temporary glitch or just ensuring your chat list is up to date, these simple steps should have you covered. Remember to use this feature responsibly and enjoy the convenience that WhatsApp Web brings to your online communication. Thank you for watching, and make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more helpful guides, and share this video with friends who might find it useful. Stay connected and see you in the next tutorial.